pan, we're gonna start by adding a nice pat of butter. And let that heat up and sizzle. I have the heat to about medium-high. I have 2 well-beaten eggs with a little bit of water and a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. And I'm just gonna put those in there. And now I want to begin agitating the eggs, so I'm gonna use, I don't have a wooden fork, so I'm gonna use chopsticks. If I had a wooden fork, I would use that. So anyway, I want to agitate these. Except I'm losing control of the chopsticks here. And agitate the pan. And it's starting to come together. Okay, now it's basically coagulated. I'm going to take it off the heat. Get a little bit of my chives. Add some cheese. Turn that off. Gonna just sort of mash that in there. Now, rather than flip this, what I do is I put this in the broiler for about 15 seconds or so. All the top does is have to congeal a little bit, and that's all we're looking for. And I do this because I think flipping is harder, and when you cook the other side directly on the pan, to me it tends to overcook it. But there's 1,000 ways to do this, so here we go. So now I'm just gonna over here. There we go.